is Gladys Tenner from House of Peace International Ministries in Zimbabwe, Nkayi, Guwe. This is the brick making environment here, where we've got breeze blocks already made for the orphanage, Hopim Orphanage, and we've got the gentleman, Mr. Chuma, who's making our bricks. We thank God for his hard work. You can see the sun is really hot, but he's working hard. So that's the mixture there for the bricks. I think he's gonna start making the smaller bricks, this is the mold he's gonna use. He's gonna use the small one for the small bricks. That's for the foundation of the orphanage, and we've got some also there, and working hard at the people in the truck there. They're working hard offloading the sand. We glorify the name of the Lord. Thank you so much for all your support, and God bless you. Shalom.